Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. I know it has been a long motherfucking time since y'all seen me on this YouTube shit, but I'm just checking in on y'all, see what's good, you know what I'm saying, saying how everybody been and shit. I was thinking about probably making a video or two. So yeah, y'all just go ahead and drop in the comment box what y'all want me to talk about. I'll talk about anything. There's a lot of shit that's been going on in the world lately that probably need to be talked about or whatever. I just wanna talk about the shit. So yeah, hit me up on the comment box, send me a message. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on all that shit. SOLOROC_ Twitter and Instagram. Don't forget to comment video topics in the comment section, or you can just send a message. Ask me what you want me to talk about. Alright, peace.
Watch me hit the strip club, make it rain like I'm Kobe. Industry full of lights.